1. The past tense story. Classic narrative. Buster Moon was a koala. He loved the theater a lot, but he had a big problem. His old theater needed money. Buster had an idea and planned a singing competition. He told Miss Crawley to make flyers with a $1,000 prize. But Miss Crawley made a mistake. Her glass eye popped out and she typed $100,000. Many animals saw the flyers and went to the theater. They practiced hard every day. During the show, bad bears came looking for Mike the Mouse. The bears were angry. They hit a water tank and broke the stage. The beautiful theater broke into pieces. Buster lost everything and washed cars. But one day, he heard Mina the elephant sing in the ruins. He called the animals back. They built a new stage on the broken rocks. The animals sang beautifully, and the whole city watched. Nana, a rich lady, loved the show. She bought the land and built a brand new theater for Buster. Part 2. The present tense story. Immediate action. Buster Moon is a koala. He loves the theater a lot. But he has a big problem. His old theater needs money. Buster has an idea and plans a singing competition. He tells Miss Crawley to make flyers with a $1,000 prize. But Miss Crawley makes a mistake. Her glass eye pops out and she types $100,000. Many animals see the flyers and go to the theater. They practice hard every day. During the show, bad bears come looking for Mike the Mouse. The bears are angry. They hit a water tank and break the stage. The beautiful theater breaks into pieces. Buster loses everything and washes cars. But one day, he hears Mina the elephant sing in the ruins. He calls the animals back. They build a new stage on the broken rocks. The animals sing beautifully and the whole city watches. Nana, a rich lady, loves the show. She buys the land and builds a brand new theater for Buster. Buster Moon will be a koala. He will love the theater a lot, but he will have a big problem. His old theater will need money. Buster will have an idea and will plan a singing competition. He will tell Miss Crawley to make flyers with a $1,000 prize. But Miss Crawley will make a mistake. Her glass eye will pop out and she will type $100,000. Many animals will see the flyers and will go to the theater. They will practice hard every day. During the show, bad bears will come looking for Mike the Mouse. The bears will be angry. They will hit a water tank and will break the stage. The beautiful theater will break into pieces. Buster will lose everything and will wash cars. But one day, he will hear Mina the elephant sing in the ruins. He will call the animals back. They will build a new stage on the broken rocks. The animals will sing beautifully, and the whole city will watch. Nana, a rich lady, will love the show. She will buy the land and will build a brand new theater for Buster. 4. The present perfect tense story. Experience and recent events. Buster Moon has always been a koala. He has loved the theater a lot, but he has had a big problem. His old theater has needed money. Buster has had an idea and has planned a singing competition. He has told Miss Crawley to make flyers with a $1,000 prize. But Miss Crawley has made a mistake. Her glass eye has popped out, and she has typed $100,000. Many animals have seen the flyers and have gone to the theater. They have practiced hard every day. During the show, bad bears have come looking for Mike the Mouse. The bears have been angry. They have hit a water tank and have broken the stage. The beautiful theater has broken into pieces. Buster has lost everything and has washed cars. Recently, he has heard Mina the elephant sing in the ruins. He has called the animals back. They have built a new stage on the broken rocks. The animals have sung beautifully, and the whole city has watched. Nana, a rich lady, has loved the show. She has bought the land and has built a brand new theater for Buster.